Hey everyone, let's make this delicious apple crisp perfect for this time of the year. I'm starting with some pre-sliced apples and then I'm gonna add about 1 lemon juice to it, some cinnamon, and some Nestlé caramel. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of flour and some butter cubes, about 2 tablespoons. Once that's finished, transfer your mixture into your baking pan and set it aside. Within the same bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of maple sugar, some cinnamon, baking powder, some salts, and baking soda. I'm gonna finish with some melted butter. Mix that all together and add it to your apple mixture. Spread it evenly and shape it with your hands. Once you have it like a flat dough on top of your apples, bake at 400 for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it. I like serving mine with some frozen vanilla Greek yogurts to keep it healthy for the kiddos, but you can serve it with your favorite vanilla ice cream. Totally up to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun recipes and ideas, and I'll see you in the next one.